Can you trade crypto on Tradier? Did you know that as of 2024, over 420 million people worldwide own cryptocurrencies? Additionally, the global cryptocurrency market capitalization has surpassed $2 trillion, highlighting the significant growth and adoption of digital assets in recent years. Tradier, a brokerage firm renowned for its customizable trading platforms and competitive pricing, has been a topic of discussion among traders interested in cryptocurrency. As of 2024, Tradier does not offer direct cryptocurrency trading. While they have expressed intentions to introduce crypto services and even established a waitlist for interested users, these features have yet to materialize. The absence of cryptocurrency trading on Tradier presents certain disadvantages for traders seeking a comprehensive platform. The growing popularity of digital assets means that many investors prefer a single platform to manage both traditional securities and cryptocurrencies. Tradier's current limitation necessitates the use of multiple platforms, potentially complicating portfolio management and increasing administrative efforts. On the positive side, Tradier excels in offering a wide range of services for traditional asset classes, including stocks, options, and futures. Their platform is particularly appealing to active traders due to its integration with over 100 connected platforms, providing robust APIs for trading, market data, and brokerage services. Additionally, Tradier's competitive pricing, such as $0 commissions on stock and ETF trades and 35 cents per contract for options, makes it an attractive choice for cost-conscious traders. User reviews of Tradier are mixed. Some traders appreciate the platform's extensive tools and integrations, while others have reported concerns about system reliability and customer service. For instance, certain users have experienced downtime and issues with account balances, which can be particularly detrimental for active traders who require real-time access and accurate information. In summary, while Tradier offers a robust platform for trading traditional securities with competitive pricing and extensive integrations, it currently lacks the capability to trade cryptocurrencies directly. Traders interested in digital assets will need to utilize additional platforms to accommodate their cryptocurrency trading needs. As the financial landscape continues to evolve, it remains to be seen when or if Tradier will expand its offerings to include cryptocurrency trading, thereby providing a more comprehensive solution for modern investors.